Leela and Max's adventure in the Learning Valley, in a small village surrounded by green mountains and a crystal-clear river, lived two great friends. Leela, a curious girl who loved learning new things, and Max, a playful and wise fox who always had something interesting to tell. One day, while exploring the nearby forest, they found a path they had never seen before. At the end of the trail stood a large arch of flowers with a sign that read, "Welcome to the Learning Valley." What could this place be? Leela asked, excited. "There's only one way to find out. Let's go explore," replied Max, wagging his tail. The Valley School. Upon entering, they found a magical school. The walls were decorated with drawings that seemed to come alive, and the classrooms were full of children and animals learning together. There were bears solving puzzles, bunnies learning to count carrots, and birds reciting poems. The school principal, an elephant named Mrs. Wisdom, welcomed them. "Here in the Learning Valley, we believe that early education is the key to growing strong, happy, and full of dreams," she said with a smile. Leela and Max were amazed. "Can we learn too?" Leela asked. "Of course. Everyone learns at their own pace and according to their interests," replied Mrs. Wisdom. Leela and Max's lessons. The first lesson, an old oak tree teacher taught about the importance of curiosity. "When we are young, our mind is like a seed," the oak explained. "With education, we water it and help it grow into strong and wise trees." Leela raised her hand. "What if someone doesn't water their seed? It may take longer to grow, but it's never too late to start taking care of it," the oak replied tenderly. In another class, they learned about teamwork. There was a game where they had to build a bridge using sticks and leaves. At first, Leela tried to do it alone, but her structure kept falling. Max, with his experience, suggested asking for help. "Working together makes us stronger," Max said. "Everyone has a special skill they can contribute." With the help of other children and animals, they managed to build a sturdy bridge. Leela smiled as she crossed it. "Now I understand that studying is not only to know more, but also to learn to be better companions and friends." The Garden of Dreams, in a special part of the valley, Leela and Max discovered the Garden of Dreams. It was a place where each child planted a flower that represented their dream. There were flowers of all colors and sizes, each with a small tag that said things like doctor, astronaut, musician, and more. Mrs. Wisdom, the elephants, gave Leela and Max seeds. "Plant your dream here, and remember to take care of it with dedication and effort." Leela planted a yellow flower and wrote, "Teacher who inspires." Max planted an orange flower and wrote, "Explorer of stories." "What if we change our dream?" Max asked. "That's okay too," said Mrs. Wisdom. "The important thing is to keep learning and growing." The valley's message before saying goodbye. Mrs. Wisdom, the elephant, gave them a map that showed how learning continued beyond the valley. "Remember, children," said, "education is like a journey. Everything you learn now will be a tool to overcome challenges and achieve your dreams." With hearts full of joy, Leela and Max returned home, determined to share what they had learned with their friends. Leela began to organize small reading classes for the village children, while Max helped the youngest discover the natural world. Together, they inspired others to discover the magic of learning, showing that when we nurture mental development from a young age, we can all grow strong, happy, and full of dreams.